Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel World of Crypto. Today we will be diving down into the new amazing project. The name of this project is GoLoki. That is amazing project. So from before start the video, it request to all of you that subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming and latest update. So friend, don't skip any part of this video, watch till end, then you can easily understand each and everything about this amazing project. So let's discuss this project. Before discussing this project, let me tell you that it's not my financial advice. Do it on your research. This is only for education purpose video. So I'm gonna share you about the amazing anti-detect browser. The name of this browser is GoLogin. Anti-detect browser for managing multiple accounts on a single device without the hassle of receiving blocked access or dealing with tedious transforming of passwords. And here you can choose your language and you can sign it and you can make your account easily, and you can get a 7 days trailer freely, and we can download this application from for the PC and our mobile. And here are the other detail how can we use this anti-detect browser. So there is a method you can check out, and easily we can use this browser, and we can manage multiple accounts from one single device. So this is a method how can we use this, and here are other detail and information which are available, trusted by top professionals. Manage all your accounts safely from one device. Log into multiple accounts on a single device just like a regular browser without triggering unexpected suspicion check. And here are the social media platform we can use by this anti-browser easily, and here are the other detail and method how can we use this browser. So login any sites, access account from any location, share account easily with any team member. You can share your account, and by sharing the account with other member we can get benefits. And anti-direct browser Go login creates a unique digital identity for each account. Here are the detail: language, system fonts, goal location, platform, cookies, time zone, user agent. Any measure you take to protect your account should allow sites to recognize you as a regular customer, but with the twist to do this, they do to spoof up different device location software and other nuance of digital fingerprints. Website will see each of your account as a unique person. Without go login, website link all your account to same fingerprint person. If account is flagged, the account are at risk too. It's like secured Chrome browser or like a virtual machine, but 12x cheaper and faster. Go login like a regular browser with tool for multiple account. So create unique profile and choose location. Use built into Go login proxies to set account location or add your own proxy in one click. You can try this feature easily, and other detail you can see how can we join a shared member, and how can we invite our friends. Share account access with your team. Let's a team member continue your account session on a different device anywhere in the world, and recognize account with folder status and notice. We can manage our accounts by the folder status and notes. Manage all accounts from one dashboard for better control, clarity and speed. 24 over 7 real time support. GoLogin has the highest rated client support in the software. We are here 24 hours a day, every day of the week, including holidays. Live chat support, WhatsApp support, email support, and Facebook support. That support you can check all the detailed information which are available. You can check out, and ideal for managing account across all services. Here are the multiple social media account we can manage from one single device. Here are the social media platform which included Facebook, Amazon, eBay, LinkedIn, Reddit, Instagram, TikTok, Discord, Gmail, Google Ads, and other so on, multiple so on. That's just the tip of iceberg. Built-in proxies, premium proxies right in the app, ready to use, the residential and mobile, available in over 100 countries, no setup needed. And here are other details: 99.99% historical uptime, rapid time sport you can check out. And here are seriously secure proxies, profile permission, Android application, book profile handling, and other detail which are available you can check out. And mobile fingerprints are also include, and ready to run account from one device. And we can use 7 days trial for free, and we can run multiple accounts and multiple profile from one single device. Join 15,000 plus customer managing over 1.5 billion account combined. And here are the reviews you can check out. All the reviews are available on this site. And frequently asked question. Here are the facts. What is Go Login, and how much account can I create with Go Login, and how does Go Login ensure my account won't get banned? What is the browser fingerprint? Is my data safe with Go Login? How is Go Login different from traditional browser? Here are the all facts and their answer. You can read out and get all information through these. And here I already created my account, so I can easily log in, sign in. So click the sign in button and you can log in your profile easily. Here are my profile you can check out, which is already login. And your trailer account has 4 more days left. I already get my free trailer, and you can see how can we use this browser, anti-detect browser. And this is a profile you can check out, and we can add simply profile. And here are the method on already available on the site, and you can see whole video and get all information. And here are the my profile you can check out, and all the detailed information are available. So this is the anti-detect browser where we can manage multiple accounts from the single device. Friend, here is the complete method of using this anti-detect browser. So how we can use this anti-detect browser? There are complete and clearly method which is available. You can check out and you can easily use this anti-detect browser, and we can manage multiple account easily from one single device. This is a method you can check out, and you can easily use this anti-detect browser. So here are the other detail, and we can manage all our social media platform. And you can check out and you can easily use this anti-detect browser, and we can manage multiple account through this anti-detect browser. So this is a complete method you can check out, and you can easily use this. And we can easily invite member, and by the inviting member we can get benefits. And